Here are 3 things that we accountants here at Clair CPAs would like you to know about QuickBooks before we prepare your taxes at the end of the year. The first thing we'd like you to do is do all your bank reconciliations and all your credit card reconciliations. The QuickBooks file is what makes sure the activity that runs through your bank account and your credit card accounts and your loan accounts jives with what's in your books and what's on your tax return. And if you do all your reconciliations at the end of the year, they're already reconciled, and you write off any stale items or anything that should be voided before we get it, those are fewer things that we have to adjust at the end of the year. It takes us less time, the job's cleaner, and in the end, it costs you less money for us to prepare your taxes. The second thing we'd like you to do is to use the Ask My Accountant function or the Ask My Accountant account in the chart of accounts. I like that account because when you have something unusual and you don't know where to put it and you don't know how to record it, rather than us hunting and pecking for it and looking for it, it's just going to be there. And then we can reclassify it and move on very quickly. Things like the PPP loan, you don't know where to put the proceeds. Just put it in Ask My Accountant and they'll figure it out. It makes the job go more effectively. We can get your tax return done more quickly. And then again, your fees are going to be lower. And we're happier during tax season. The third thing is we would like you to do is if you could look at your balance sheet at the end of the year, this year compared to last year, and see if there's anything unusual that doesn't look right to you. It could be a transaction that was posted incorrectly, miscoded. It'll jump right out at you. Again, if we don't have to correct it and you fix it before we get it, it's more quickly. Look at your income statement last year compared to this year. Is it what you expected it to be? Is your income higher? Is it lower? Is it the same? Is it where you expect it to be? And is there anything unusual that, again, was coded incorrectly and needs to be reclassified? So those are the 3 things that we accountants here at Clair CPAs would like you to do before you give us your QuickBooks file at the end of the year and we prepare your taxes.